Hey guys, welcome to another question of the day. Today's question is, what does your wellness center cost? So, a lot of moving parts. So happy you asked that question because I want to talk about it. It's kind of up and running now. Megan Rigby and I are working together with patients to actively lose weight. At this point where we are in that process is right now, Megan already has a macronutrient coaching business and we're working together to work with my patients to incorporate that. Her fee is $500 a month and she makes you commit to 3 months. The reason is we know that patients won't have a successful result unless they commit to a 3-month process because as we all know in our weight loss journeys over the course of our lives, how many of us did something for a week or two and said, this isn't working, and you just quit? We know and we recognize that change in the body, meaningful change, comes slowly over time. And so Megan and I make you commit to a 3-month process. She does discount that, so that would be $1,500 at this point. She does discount that for patients that are coming from my practice. Now, this is an evolving process, and what we're going to do in the future is we're gonna somehow combine the cost of the wellness concept into the cost of your surgery so that you're just getting one quote that kind of includes everything. And when I say that it's forever changing, what I mean is we're also working on a meal planning service to help you guys temporarily with meal planning if that's a problem for you. And we're also going to be instituting having a trainer actually work with you and do the training so that you can have a one-stop shop type of a thing. So right now, that's what it's going to cost to engage in that process. And I just want to say that when you're looking at spending thousands of dollars on a surgical procedure, to me, I'm not minimizing money, but to add an extra $1,500 or $1,200 to you having a lifelong lasting result that you're gonna be able to maintain forever because you're now gonna have the skills in place to live the lifestyle in order to have and maintain a result, it's worth every penny and you're not gonna even blink an eye at it. So that's what it costs for now. I appreciate you asking that question. Again, you guys ask the question and I'll answer it. Have a great day.